We have got a trade recap coming in today. This was a GBPUSD long, and it was the first trade on the new 100k past funded, and it was also, was it the first trade? It was the second trade on the new 100k challenge, because we've just got another challenge, so if we win this one, we'll be able to max out the FTMO allocation at 400k. So pretty excited for the future for that, but I'll break down bias, entry, as we usually do. But before I start, everybody get in the Discord. Link's going to be in the description. I post all the trades here. Look, as I literally open this, Curly and George have just been added to the profitable division. Curly with just literally, what, a $1,600 payout. George literally had like a 3.4k payout the other day. We post all the trades, all the setups for everyone to see. So get yourself in there anyways. Free live calls twice a day. Anyway, so let's throw it back to before we got filled here, and I need to explain to you guys the New York crossover rule. It's quite a niche rule, and I think I've explained it in another video before, but I think it probably does need going over again. We are in the new AP, boys. I'll do a AP tour when I get the Face ID sorted, because at the moment it's not being sorted for me. So let's go down with the bias first of all, and then let's blank the chart as well. So, daily, for me, once again, ignoring the current candle, bullish price action, clear. 4 hour was, 4 hour was kind of choppy in the short term, but honestly, that's fine. This is honestly fine. And then the 1 hour here. Now, if you look at my notes, I was honest with myself. If we go in here, 1 hour is controversial in my opinion, but I think it's chopping up. So yes, I thought the 1 hour, and this was the 1 hour at the time. So yeah, I do think the 1 hour was choppy, but I do think it was chopping up with this one anomaly to the downside. So I did go bullish on that, and I don't think that was a reason for the loss, I'm going to be real. So, bullish on all time frames, and I've just woken up, so I'm looking a bit scuffed today, but you guys are the homies, so it's no issue at all. So if we're looking for buys, we're looking for Asian low, which gets taken immediately over London Open. Then we have the fake out. So when that bullish candle's created, we then draw the box. The box was around here, sort of size. Faked out, clear as day. Then we broke structure. Now this is when the New York crossover rule comes in, and this is really important. You guys lock in for the next 2 minutes, okay? So, if, as we cross over to New York, the fib tool extends, rather than price going towards the limit, we can actually extend the fib tool range into New York and not have to look for another previous session sweep, and then we can get filled off of the Asian sweep move. And this can either happen on the 5 or the 15 minute, okay? So if we go onto the 15, as you can see, market opens and we have to extend the fib range, like I've just said. So we extended the fib range, and this is what, I don't think this was on the 5 minute. It wasn't quite on the 5 minutes, we didn't extend because we came down before, but it was on the 15, so that's fine. So we extended the fib range, and then eventually came down and tapped the order. And unfortunately, we just came and chopped down. And I think if we go to present day, yeah, we are coming back up now. So this could hit TP if I did a bigger stop, would be something to note. I would definitely put that in the notes, but if it doesn't, then I wouldn't put that in the notes, you know what I mean? I'm going to do this Euro position on the trade recap when that fills as well, when that fills TP. But we have only got that on the challenge at the moment. So I'll just get these two accounts that I've got public on this. So as you know in the Discord, if you are looking for future and you're wondering why I'm not showing the other two 100s, just pause and read this. It's pretty obvious reasons, to be honest. I keep those on the Safari here, and then the other ones are on the Chrome. So this is the live one. I need to rename it. This is the live one because we're doing 1.4% risk, and then we're doing 1.66% risk on the challenge. So sweet, nothing really to add here. Look, we've got this Euro position still running on this account, but basically, the second I got the account yesterday, the 100k pass, I placed the trade on it because the trade was about to come into the zone, but we'd already had the Euro fill, so we couldn't get in on the Euro trade, but we could get in on the GU. So that's how it goes, you know what I mean? Sometimes that is that is the game. And I'm doing 1.66% on the challenge stage 1 now, just because of the hope that I would get a 2-win streak and it would be perfectly synced up. But we have got a loss, so that's now going to ruin the risk a bit, and I didn't think about that. In terms of, like, I probably should have just kept with a 2% risk for stage 1. Because now that's going to make stuff really awkward, because if I get a win, that's going to be, what, plus 3%, then I get another win, then it's going to be 8% up, then I need 2% for the pass. But let's hope we get a couple of over 3R trades in there, to be honest. I'm going to rely on that to not fuck my chances up. But that is the trade recap, boys. Instagram, Discord is in the description below. Hope everyone has a good rest of your day if you're watching this. Peace out, everybody. See you lot in the Discord.